everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our 21-day journey to return back to yourself. So, how are you all doing? Tell me, how was your last 2 days experience? You can text it in the comment so that I can read. So, there may be something that you are noticing, something changing. So, what I need to tell you is that you have to take care of a couple of things. You need to drink a lot of water daily as we are doing this processing. uh, Once, even though the session may look very lighter, you have to, some of you may feel heavy, some of you may feel dehydrated. Drink a lot of water. We need a lot of water to process our emotions, our bodily functions. You may not feel thirsty because it is winter. There could be so many reasons, but drink a lot of water, take some good rest, deep sleep. And if any emotions are coming up, just observe them. Don't engage with that, or judge that. Let us move to day 3. So before that, I want to tell you, if any of you here haven't subscribed the channel yet, subscribe, press the bell icon so that you will get further notifications. And for women above 35, I have a private WhatsApp community. There I will be updating all my upcoming free sessions, workshops, masterclasses, and any additional sessions that I am giving. Or if you want to do any deeper work, you want to have a one-to-one sessions, I can consider it based on my schedule. You can mail to me that your requirement. So you can click the link below or in my about section and join my WhatsApp community. So you can be part of my community and have intimation about the upcoming programs. So let us move to day 3 now. Okay. Since yesterday, you must have noticed the guilt softening, isn't it? When the guilt that you are going through, the guilt that was hardened over the years because you are practicing it over and over again, it became kind of part of your mind, body, soul. You can see that it's softening a little bit from yesterday. When something loosens up, something softens, something else can surface from underneath. It can come up from underneath. What could be that? It could be anger, resentment, and exhaustion, tiredness, and that quiet grief, sadness about the joy you lost along the way. You may be, you may tend to think that because I was over sacrificing, I was overworking, I was trying to be this people pleaser. I was looking for everybody's certificate and be in others' good book. Because of all these things, I lost so many things. I couldn't have enjoyed my life a bit better. I could have prioritized myself a bit better. But I sacrificed a lot, even when it comes to eating something good. Or I always, this happens with the women, those who always say, oh, it's okay, it's fine, I'm good, I'm fine with it. No, 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 I don't eat that. For me, oh, it's fine. Oh, you people have it. And it doesn't matter to me. Oh, I usually cook and give to others. I'm not so crazy about all these things. There are so many versions to this. So women usually, there are many women. They take a back seat. They try to make others happy. If some good food, something, it is limited, they try to feed others more, and they think that they say that no, 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 it's okay, fine, I'm not so fond of that. But somewhere deep inside, they have this feeling that, oh, I should have had it, I should have done it. There are many people like this. So when your guilt softening and anger, resentment, or unhappiness, grief, sadness, all can surface back from underneath of this guilt. So you may notice that when you think about it, you will feel that why did I become like this? Why I was living my life that way? Then you may find that This is something you picked up from your childhood, either seeing your mother, grandmother, some of your caregivers, or the familial, structure is like that. Our cultural and the societal norms, they told us to be like this. So you want to be that good lady, good mother, good wife, good daughter-in-law. In the process, you suppressed a lot of things. And by the time you reach 40, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, you can see this lot of dissatisfaction, that a lot of resentment, lot of, oh, I shouldn't have done this kind of thoughts coming up. So you tend to blame somebody who has put these values in you. Let me tell you one thing. This day is not about blaming anyone. Whatever is what happened is happened. Now is the time for you to choose yourself. Today is about choosing yourself. So keep your hand on your heart and say, today I chose me. Today I chose myself. Choose yourself without losing your heart, without blaming anybody, without accusing anybody of anything. Okay? So, welcome to day 3. Understand this resentment, anger, whatever you are feeling, that is not a flow. That is, don't think as you I have done a mistake. No. If this is coming up now, that is a signal. What is that signal telling you? Yeah. Can anyone tell me that? What is that signal telling you? The signal is telling you that you have been giving more than that you had. Even when you pour from a full cup, it will get empty, right? You need to keep fill that. But you have been keep pouring from a limited source that you had. Let us listen that signal with care today. In fact, this is coming from you being unseen. How did you become unseen? You became unseen because you always prioritized others. You took a backseat when it comes to anything and everything. When it comes to spending some money on you for your happiness, you thought that it's an expenditure. But when it comes to your loved ones, for your husband, kids, close ones, you felt that that is an investment. Everything you thought that, oh, I'm wasting money if I do this or if I do that. Oh, I don't need so much, I can adjust. You have been shrinking yourself over the years. When you shrink further, further over the years, you will become invisible. You cannot blame others because they thought that your happiness is in providing them. Your happiness is in supporting them. Your happiness is in prioritizing them. So, how can we blame them? You were playing a role, but somewhere deep inside, the story was something different. By the time you realized, so many years over, now those people in your life, they are not realizing what you're going through. They are seeing my mother, my wife, my daughter, whoever it is. She was so happy. She was so sacrificing. She did not, she always want others to have everything. Why is she suddenly behaving like this? Why is she getting angry unnecessarily? Why she is so much resentful? You understand this? So you have been shrinking yourself. So I am not blaming you. Let us not blame anybody. It is not about blaming. Okay? You have been saying yes every time your body want to say no. You overworked. What was happening is that when you thought, if I say something, uh, if I express my real wish, they may feel bad, or I may be making my in-laws unhappy or my husband unhappy. And you chose peace, harmony over your honesty, over your truth. So you kept on abandoning yourself. You kept on prioritizing other self. You shrunk in so many small ways for a long time. Your happiness did not just disappear like this. No, it got buried under your unmet needs. You started feeling that many of my needs, desires, aspirations are not being met. But that realization came later on. Let us uncover that today. Sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor, spine erect. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath if you feel that is right. If you are not comfortable closing your eyes, or if you had any past traumas or deeper issues, don't do this. It's a simple process. Let us meet with that part of ourselves that feels angry, upset, resentful. Now, close your eyes, bring one hand to your chest, take that slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Now, silently ask, what part of me feels so tired of carrying so much? Don't search for any answer. Let it come naturally, okay? Naturally, something will come up as an image, a visual, a memory, a sensation. Stay with it. Now, softly say to that part, I see you. It could be an younger version of you. Tell her, I see you. You make sense. You did not fail. Observe what happens in your body. Tell her, I love you. Whatever may be the reason, whatever may have caused this, unconditionally love that version, that part of you. You can see the resentment softens when it is being acknowledged. Have you ever tried to understand this? Where the resentment grows, it often grows where there is self abandonment. If you have been living in self abandonment, you have been neglecting you. You have been kind to others. You have been empathetic to others, compassionate to others. You have been prioritizing others. But you have knowingly or unknowingly did not prioritize or give importance to yourself anywhere. You have forgotten to love yourself. It is in that situations that resentment grows, anger grows, grudge grows. So let us reverse that gently. Okay. There is no force on anything. There is no strict rules on anything. Place your hand on your chest, heart. Put another palm on your belly. Now, slowly breathe in and breathe out. And repeat after me. I am allowed to choose myself without any guilt. Choose you. Choose your happiness. Choose your likes, dislikes, desires, aspiration for a change now. I am allowed to choose myself without any guilt. I don't need to be invisible to be loved. How did you become invisible? You thought that when you prioritize, take care, being kind, empathetic, and compassionate to others, prioritize others, you will get love. All are going to love you for being all this sacrificer, overworker, hard worker, restless worker. So you don't need to disappear to be loved. I can meet my needs without hurting others. Meeting your own needs. You don't have to hurt anybody. Let it land where it is supposed to land in you. Let these words sink in. This is not about changing your life today or overnight. It is about changing your relationship with yourself. Now, happiness does not return through effort, it returns through permission. Bring a simple moment in your mind from the past where you felt really light. Okay? Something, some moment. Ex- Think of something where you really felt light, lighter, happier. You enjoyed that moment. Stay there briefly. Now, observe where that feels in your body, where that lightness touches in your body. Now, tell yourself, I allow moments of ease back into my life. I allow moments of ease, lightness, joy, happiness back into my life. I am open to joy without earning it. Your little happiness don't need to earn it through doing something heavier that you can't do. You are understanding what I am saying. I am open to joy without earning it. Even a small opening is enough. Be open to joy, happiness. Here is a small question that you have to ask yourself now. Honestly answer. Take your pen and paper. It's not about fixing anything, just being there, seeing it, recognizing it. Okay? Where have I been leaving myself behind? Ask this question to you. Where have I been leaving myself behind? Sit with it. Let the answer come up. Write it down. No judgment, just be with it and see that without adding any emotion to that. Just observe without any harsh or deeper emotions. Just like how you will observe a leaf that is moving in the wind, or how you will see, just observe a bird flying in the sky. You don't have any emotion attached to that. Just observe, just look at it. Yeah. Now, when you complete this assignment, come back to the video and write below the video, day 3 done, and write one word to show, to let me know how do you feel. At least one word. If you can write more, write it. Okay? How you feel. Share this video with someone who you think will help them. Tomorrow, we will calm the nervous system through some breath work. Thank you for choosing yourself today. I will see you tomorrow, same time. Until then, keep evolving.